Hi and welcome to Complete Bootstrap 4 course, a course that will walk you through with the ins and outs of the Bootstrap 4 as well as will walk you through with the project so that you can apply all of the things that you have learned in the course in a real life experience of projects. My name is Hitesh and I have been programming for over 10 years. After successful launch of a huge number of boot camps like on iOS development, web development and React.js, now finally I'm back with a super awesome Bootstrap 4 course. My specialty is to teach a topic in a fun and engaging manner so that students get a best learning experience. You will learn about the all ins and outs of the Bootstrap in this course, and majorly we are going to focus on three main points that we'll be learning in this course. Number one, we are going through with the syntax and every highlights of the Bootstrap 4, regardless that you have some experience of Bootstrap 3 or not. This is a complete course from the scratch. The next approach is for the project base. Of course, once you have learned something, you might want to apply that in some project so that you are ready to take down the real world scenario. The final approach that we are going to follow in this course is about documentation reading, which is an important and integral part of any web developer. So you are going to learn that as well. The approach that we are following in this course has already proven great results, and we can say that it always produces predictably good results with every course. The ideal student for this course is somebody who is having a little bit amount of knowledge of HTML and CSS. And you might be asking, what is that little bit? It's not that much. If you can write down a button code in the HTML, then you are good to go with the HTML. If you can pick up all the H1 tags and can change the color in the CSS, you are ready to rock and roll in this course. The goal of this course is to make sure that students understand how they can design a responsive website that performs really great on mobile, tablet, or on a big screen devices. Bootstrap makes all of this easier for us. There is a lot that we want to cover in this course. So let's get on to the course and I'll surely catch you up inside the course.